Welcome back to the Everyday Fishing Channel. We're out here at the creek again, you guys. And here's what we're gonna be doing. Pflueger Monarch Ultralight. Matching reel. 2-pound line. You guys are gonna hate me for this, but I got a snap swivel on there and a boo-boo. I've been switching lures with ease. 1/24 ounce jig with a sickle hook and half a night crawler. See what we can do. Let's see what we can do. Who's gone? Bloop. Give it a toss out there. It is mid-July. No, actually late July, July 22nd or something like that. And the local lake, well, I don't know. I want to change it up. I wanted to go fish the creek. So here I am. Going old school. Hook and a worm. Oh, we got a fish. Oh, we had a fish. Oh, we got it. Nope. Come on now, dog. Maybe he took my bait. Let's see here. Oh yeah, empty hook. I thought so. So we'll just go over here to our can of night crawlers. Get us one out. Split him in half. And then I ain't doing nothing fancy today. I'm just hooking it on there a couple of times like that. Like that. That's it. Put our lid back on so the ants don't eat our worms, because these ants over here, these big old jumbo black ants, they've been crawling up my leg, man. Freaking me out. Hey, what's that? Oh, it's just an ant. Toss it over here, see what happens. I hooked into a big catfish over here one time. And like a fool, I didn't just grab him up by his gills or something. I tried to drag him up on the bank with 6-pound line. Of course, I snapped it. It was an embarrassing moment, to say the least. Hey, we got a fish on. Oh no. He went up in some cover. Swim out of there, buddy. Swim on out of there. I can't believe I let him do that to me. I cannot believe I let him do that. I can't believe that. Come on, buddy, get out of there. Come on, get on out of there. Give him some slack. Maybe he'll swim out. Come on, buddy. Swim on out of there. He's just sitting there. Oh my gosh. You guys, really? See, this is why people edit their videos when stuff like this happens. Dude, you gotta be kidding me. This little sucker. Mother. I guess we gonna keep it realistic and break it off. Yep, broke it off. Well, that's what happens when you let the stinking fish pull you into these roots, into this heavy cover. You get snapped off without a hook, and your freaking fishing bag all the way over there. Man, whatever. Man, you guys, don't be like me. Don't let the fish get you into some heavy cover on this 2-pound line. It's a bad combo. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me fail. like this video, subscribe to the channel, share this with everybody you know. Tell your mama, tell your daddy, tell your granny, tell everybody. Go fishing every day, man. Thanks for watching.